What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the mukbang channel. It's your girl Heavenly, and we here with another smash hit, another banger, another homemade meal by me. I know it's been a long time since I've been on this channel, but I promise y'all it's a lot been going on. So without further ado, let's get into the meal. Okay, so we back with the dinner for tonight. So I made some honey butter cornbread, okay, because my mama said she wanted some, so I made some for her. Then I got some fried catfish. That was just from yesterday that I didn't eat, so I got it here. And then I made some fried chicken fresh, okay. I also got some jjajangmyeon, some buldak noodle, okay. Yeah, black bean noodle. We got that. All right, and let's get into it. All right, we just said our grace. Let's go. So I really wanted to, I know this is like a weird combination, but black bean noodles is my favorite. It's my favorite buldak. This one and the curry, top tier. Curry is my favorite, but I just wanted to get y'all, and I made them so perfect, okay? With some sesame seeds in here. I didn't have no green onions. When I tell y'all, and the cornbread is fresh out the oven. The best hot sauce, okay? Ooh, the cornbread is perfect. Perfect. I mean, it's to perfection, okay? Got some hot sauce, because that's all you really need, okay? For the catfish and for the chicken. Hot sauce, okay? I don't really like nothing else on my catfish, to be honest. Now, about 2 weeks ago, I had made some catfish. Look at that. From Ooh Wee. If you're from Chicago, you already know. Now, since we don't have like a air fryer, whenever I get like fried chicken or catfish, I like to get some cooking oil, heat it up, and I like to throw my catfish or my chicken back in there just so it can get back crispy. Y'all hear that? I'm telling you. Cause you're not gonna get that when you warm it up in the microwave, okay? You just not. But yeah, y'all, this is just perfect. Perfect. But yeah, y'all. Like I said, I'm finna eat for a little bit and then we'll get into it. But ooh, it's the right amount of spice too. Excuse my braids, y'all. They doing all kinds of stuff. But yeah, get into this chicken. I double fried it. So what I did is I battered it, put the flour on, and put the potatoes. I used potato starch. So this time I used potato starch instead of cornstarch because for some reason when I went to go buy some cornstarch, they didn't have any, which was weird. They only had everything else, but no cornstarch. So I got potato starch because I know I can use that too. But this is the chicken. I mean, it's crispy, y'all. It's crispy, okay? That double fry go do it every time. Every time, okay? These them Amish chicken wings too. Oh shit. Mm-hmm. Mm. The meat is just coming right off the bone. I brined it too. You know, get it nice and tender. But yes, I brined my chicken. The cornbread is busting. Mm. Mm-hmm. The cornbread is just melting in my mouth, y'all. The catfish. Mm-hmm. 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 Now, whenever I get catfish from Ubi, I always get the mac and yam combo. Because I love me some candy yams, okay? And the cornbread is perfect. It's crispy on the outside, but it's so moist. So moist on the inside. Like it's just melting in my mouth. I also put sour cream in it to get it moist. Nobody likes no dry ass cornbread, okay? This is it. Woo! All I had today was watermelon. So this is my first meal of the day at almost 8 o'clock. It is 8 o'clock. Let's smell that chicken. Nice and crispy. I gotta tell y'all. Ooh, y'all, when I say I got these crispy, I got these crispy. I ain't even know chef for real. I just know what go together, okay? Cooked all the way. That's why I like a double fry. Seasoned to perfection. There's the cornbread. Ooh. Ooh. Not me. I'm making a mess. But yeah, like I was saying earlier, I don't know why I was craving like jajangmyeon with these chicken wings and cornbread and catfish, but I was craving some noodles, okay? And then I also found out that you're not even supposed to chew your noodles, you're supposed to slurp them. And that's when I realized, like, South Korean and Japanese people who do mukbangs and they eat a lot of noodles, they don't be chewing. That's why they can eat so much, because they just swallow. They slurp them. They don't chew them. Yes, sir. Excuse me. Perfectly done. And I got the last bag of jjajangmyeon in my store. For some reason, my store sells a lot of kimchi bulldog. No, I'm not a fan of kimchi. I've tried it. Didn't like the fermented taste. But, like, every shelf where all the bulldog flavors are supposed to be is nothing but kimchi. So, I don't know what that's all about. Yeah. And I got, like, it was only this left. The jjajangmyeon, the creamy carbonara. I didn't really like that one. I like the regular carbonara. And then I got the shin ramen, which I was surprised they even had shin, because I could have sworn I didn't know that particular store had shin ramen. And then I got one more flavor. It was the shin, the jjajangmyeon, the creamy carbonara, and I got one more flavor. Oh, the quattro. Now, I think the quattro is really, really spicy, so I can never remember. That's why I only get the jjajangmyeon. The jjajangmyeon is spicy too, don't get me wrong, but it's not as spicy. Like, I can handle the heat, because even y'all saw me add all that hot sauce to my food. Like, my mouth is hot, but it's doable. And the curry and the jjajangmyeon, the black bean noodle, perfect. Those two are my best favorite flavors. Carbonara is spicy too, but there's a way to get around that. You just don't use the whole packet. Like this, I didn't use the whole sauce packet. I used maybe like almost a little more than half, but I didn't use the whole thing. You really probably only need half, to be honest. Getting down to the wire, y'all. Crispy. Like I told y'all, okay? I think I'm gonna stick with potato starch. And then I added a little sugar to it just in case. I went too ham on the spices. But I did, it's perfect. My mouth was just hot from the jjajangmyeon. It's perfect. Small cornbread. Yeah, my nose is running. even see the seasoning in the breading, okay? Because I know what I'm doing. Your girl know what she's doing. Excuse me. So this is the buldak jajang, okay? Spicy bean noodle, Korean black bean noodle. That's what it is. Korean black bean sauce. But yeah, this is one of my favorites. Here's the cornbread with the honey butter glaze, okay? It's like my second time making this month. And then here's the rest of the chicken that I left for my mama. But yeah, chicken, nice and crispy. Nice and crispy. Nice and crispy. Nice and crispy, okay? Every single one, babe. Alright. Thank you for joining. Excuse me. Thank you for joining me on this mukbang, okay? I am finna go clean up. Thought I had to burp. Finna go clean up and call it a night. But make sure y'all check out the rest of my mukbang videos. And I have more videos waiting to be uploaded. So stay tuned. Peace.